Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Do you dream of one day being able to afford that luxury vacation, sports car, or just be financially free and not have to worry about money again? Well, you aren't alone. What if I told you that being a self-made millionaire might be more attainable than you think? In this video, we're going to share 12 surprising statistics about self-made millionaires that leave you scratching your head and rethinking your approach to wealth. 1. 67% of millionaires never buy a new car. It's not about the car that you drive, it's about the money in your bank. Plus, buying a used car is a great way to save money, and if it's good enough for millionaires, it's good enough for us. 2. 68% of self-made millionaires have never had a credit card balance. Credit card debt is a trap that many people fall into, but not these millionaires. They know paying off their balance in full every month is the way to go. 3. 62% of self-made millionaires have a side hustle. These people aren't content with just one source of income. They're always hustling and finding new ways to make more money. 4. 80% of self-made millionaires read at least one book per month. The average is 2 to 3 books per month, according to Business Insider. They say that knowledge is power, and apparently it is also wealth. Meanwhile, I'm still playing my 100th game of League of Legends, hard stuck trying to get out of silver. 5. Studies shown that 81% of self-made millionaires maintain a to-do list. A to-do list is like a roadmap to success, and millionaires are the ones driving the Bugatti on it. To-do lists range from extremely complicated to multiple systems, to some millionaires just having a piece of paper with the top 3 things that they need to get done for the day. 6. 90% of self-made millionaires say they exercise regularly. Looks like success isn't just about making money, it's also about taking care of your health, with 67% of those millionaires exercising at least 4 times a week. Who knew that running on that treadmill was a path to riches? It's probably not the treadmill though. 7. Self-made millionaires are more likely to be self-employed, with 67% of millionaires owning their own businesses. When you're the boss and you make the rules, apparently the rule is also to make a lot of money. So start thinking about the ways to create a business that leverages your strengths and finds a need inside the market and where you can give value. 8. Average self-made millionaires has an average of 7 sources of income. You probably heard the statistic. It's from the book The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley, which is based on a survey of millionaires in the US. This includes sources such as real estate investments, stocks and bonds, small businesses, and royalties from intellectual property. Having multiple sources of income is like having a backup plan for your backup plan. Millionaires don't take chances, they take calculated risks. 9. 62% of millionaires work more than 45 hours a week. A majority of these millionaires are not living the laptop lifestyle where they're just chilling on a beach doing nothing. But when you hear interviews with different millionaires, they also talk about how they're doing things that they love and that they're working nonstop because they want to and not because they have to. 10. A survey revealed that 70% of self-made millionaires eat less than 300 junk food calories per day. It looks like millionaires don't just watch their bank accounts, they also watch their waistlines. 11. 93% of self-made millionaires attribute their success to their mentors. No one makes it to the top alone. These millionaires know the value of having a mentor to guide them along the way. 12. 88% of millionaires are self-made, meaning they created their wealth through their own efforts, which is an amazing fact because we can become self-made millionaires. Is becoming millionaire going to be as easy as implementing all of these different statistics? Probably not. At least it's a start on your road to becoming a millionaire. Remember, becoming a self-made millionaire is not just about luck or talent. It's also about mindset and hard work. Keep learning, keep growing, keep striving for greatness. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be featured in a YouTube video like this one about the most surprising statistics about self-made millionaires. Comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts on these statistics, or if you have your own surprising millionaire statistic. And as always, take care, talk soon, and I'll see you in the next video.